Hi guys, welcome to another video by Optionables. My name is Saket and today we are going to look at the trades taken on 11th of October 2021. So it had been a long weekend and it was quite a while since we did the video because both Sujit and we had gone out of town, and that's the reason we couldn't make the videos for past couple of days. And after a long time today, I am finally making a video on the trades that we had taken on Friday, as well as what happened to those trades and how we adjusted the same. So on Friday, right before the RBI policy, we had taken a short straddle of 37,800, and today Bank Nifty shot up somewhere close to 500 points. We are somewhere close to break even itself with negative of 20,000. So we have done certain adjustments and I'll be sharing everything with you. And that is for the trade as of now. And for this month, we are still carrying a loss of somewhere close to 4.5-5 lakh that we should try to recover. Hopefully, we'll be doing it this week. So let's hope for the best. And apart from that, if you haven't checked out our free course, then do visit our website. Apart from that, you can also check out our regional channels where we have 5 regional language channels and we'll be making content in the respective languages. And finally, there is an offer from our broker, Firstock. So if you open an account with them, you'll be getting first 100 orders free. So if you're interested, then do click on the link in the description below to open your free Firstock account. So with that, we'll be quickly moving on to the video. And I also hope all of you had a great weekend and great trading day as well. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Hit the like button if you're liking the content. Also share and subscribe. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome to another video by Optionables. So almost after 3-4 days I'm making a video and I'll be giving the updates regards to the position. So the thing is, over the weekend I had been to Delhi and Sujit had gone to Gokarna. So both of us had been to 2 different places, and that's the reason we actually couldn't update any video. So in this particular video, we will be discussing about the positions which we took on Friday. And today I also added some nifty trades and we'll be discussing about the same as well. Right, so we will not waste time and we'll be quickly moving on to the video. So today we had a loss of close to 30,000 rupees. So we'll discuss about that more, but quickly we will see what was the position and what adjustments did we do to the position. So we had done a short straddle, and when Bank Nifty is shooting up almost 500 points, and during a point of time it was close to 700 points because Bank Nifty was almost hitting 38,500. At that point, you would obviously expect some adjustments to be done to the short straddle. So we'll quickly try to understand everything in detail, what was the trade and what adjustments did we do. So now if we put this on Sensibull, you can see that we had done a 37,800 short straddle. So together we had collected close to 800 points, and we had also purchased the hedge. So we had purchased a hedge 700 points away. So what you can see is the hedge which we have purchased is slightly higher number of lots. So when we go 80 lots short, we have gone 100 lots long. That means if there is a huge move, then it will be benefiting us quite a lot. But what you can see here is that in this region, we still have a loss, and this is not a small region at all. So this is almost from close to 38,300 all the way up till 39,500. So what we should see here is the max loss I have is 5 lakh. That means in the worst case, I'll be losing 5 lakh rupees. All I have to do is try to collect additional premium to fill this gap of 5 lakh. So this time we were trading in the lots of 2000. So all the quantities are in 2000. You can see 80 lots, both are 2000. That means if I have to fill this gap of 5 lakh with 2000 quantity, that means I will have to collect somewhere close to 250 points. So the moment I collect 250 points, I won't be going under any loss no matter where the market goes on the upside. So the thing is, did this position actually need any sort of adjustment, or can we have just left this as it is and maybe thought of adjusting this later on during maybe after 1 or 2 days? So the thing is, both are absolutely fine. So I will tell you why exactly we ended up adjusting. So even if you had let for one more day to just see how the market moves, even that would be absolutely fine. So today, when we actually see the open interest for Bank Nifty, we see a lot of call unwinding happening at 37,500, 37,700, 37,800 and a lot of unwinding happening at 38,000. So now you tell me, why would people move away from 38,000 calls? So the thing is, if you are expecting the market to come near 38,000 or come below 38,000, you usually hold on to 38,000 call short, because if it comes back, your call is going to end at 0 and you are going to make some profit. But the thing is, here people are moving away from calls. Then what are they expecting? So they are expecting that the market might most likely stay above 38,000. So you can also see that is also supported by a huge addition of put OI. So now people are adding lot of put options and they are withdrawing from call options, where it is suggesting that the market might find a very strong support coming in at 38,000. And if we see the overall OI also, we see a huge addition of put OI, around 2,900,000 of call additions. So I'm not telling that tomorrow the market can't come below or can't fall below 38,000. All I'm saying is that people are little bullish on Bank Nifty. So today IT fell quite a lot and banks outperformed, and people are little or slightly bullish on Bank Nifty. And even if we look at the chart, so let me just open chart of Bank Nifty, you can see that after a long time there has been a break above 38,000. So this is also a quite good indication that it might come back and find support at 38,000. It need not find. So based on the data, it's just an estimation that markets might end above 38,000. And if the market is ending above 38,000, then we don't have a lot of room for us to wait, because 38,300 is our break even, and beyond that we are going to go to a loss. So it is always safe to do some adjustment and keep, because even if the market comes towards 38,000, there is no issue. Even if it comes towards 37,800, there is no issue. So only if it is falling below that, then there is some issue. So when you are already finding so much support, so the chances of market falling around 700 points tomorrow is little lesser. So it can definitely fall and we can go completely wrong, but it is slightly lesser. So how did we adjust this position? So the thing is, I knew for a fact that the chances of coming to 37,100 is very slim. And if I end up holding this, I will end up losing 2,000 quantity into 35 rupees, which is close to 70,000 rupees. If I hold this position, by not doing anything, I'll still be losing 70,000 rupees. So first thing I did was remove this position completely. So now I am obviously exposed to some downside risk, but that downside risk comes after a very long time. And I can actually let this for some time. I could have adjusted tomorrow, but I thought we can maybe just give it a try by shorting some 38,000 puts based on the current data what we had. We ended up shorting around 200 lots of 38,000 puts. So now you might ask me, Saket, isn't that risky? Why did you actually have to take such a huge risk of shorting 200 lots? So the thing is, you might ask, is last week itself you have lost so much, and again on top of that you are going 200 lots, isn't that risky? So here the things are slightly different. So let me tell you what actually differs in this particular position. So all that differs is tomorrow if the market is coming towards 38,000, that is where the initial support is. So tomorrow when I go back near 38,000, I'll be losing somewhere close to 1.5 lakh only. So it was not like previous 20 lakh which I will be losing. And on top of that, so this is not the only point, on top of that you can see my break even is coming at 37,675. So 37,675 again will act as a very good support, 37,700, because you saw that even after the RBI policy, Bank Nifty actually held 37,700, took some support and bounced back. So it made a huge leap. So considering both of these points, it looks like the markets might actually end above 37,700 this expiry. I am not sure whether it will happen or not. But what I am more certain of is tomorrow, even if there is a 200-300 point gap down, I am not going to be under a huge loss. So I can just come out of the position and re-enter it if required, or just leave it. I might end up closing the trade around 1.5 lakh loss. So this is a risk which is worth taking. So I'm not risking a lot. I'm risking lesser than 1% of the capital. In case if it goes right, then we'll be getting some pretty good profits. So if the expiry is happening around 38,000 itself, then we are going to have a profit of somewhere close to 13 lakh, and anywhere above also is absolutely fine. We are going to have a pretty good profit of somewhere close to 5 to 6 lakh. So for this, I am risking around 3 to 4 lakh. And if I go beyond that, I'll just be exiting the position. And even with a 1% gap down, there's a very slim chance of we going to a loss beyond 4.5-5 lakh. So with that idea in mind, we have taken this particular position, and Nifty's position is a very simple short straddle. So that is something which we took today. So let me just save this, and I will just show you the Nifty short straddle also. So in Nifty, we have done a simple 60 lot short straddle, and we have hedged it with little lower on the put side and little closer on the call side. So again, this is hedged with 60 lots, and this was hedged with 60 lots, whereas here we have hedged it with 200 points away. Here we have hedged it with 300 points away. So in case if the market falls, in the worst case, we'll be having a loss of 3 lakh on the downside, whereas we'll be having a loss of 2 lakh on the upside. So we will think of adjusting this. Right now, there is no need of adjusting till it actually goes well beyond our break even. So if it is coming closer to 17,800, then we will think of adjusting this. Till then, there is no need to adjust this particular position. So these two are the simple trades and the adjustments what we have done. Thank you so much for joining, guys, and I hope that you guys have liked this particular video. And if yes, then please do hit the like button, share and subscribe, and I'll be catching you in the next video where we'll discuss about what exactly happened to the position and what we ended up doing. Thanks a lot for joining.